Gallery Digital Signage is the fastest, most impactful way of communicating directly with your audience. Whether you have 1, 10, or 1,000 screens, Gallery is the best way to get your message across. Our exclusive Gallery Digital Signage system is so robust that you can communicate your business message from across the room to across the globe on hundreds or even thousands of screens. Hi, I'm Richard Kurtzer, Brand Manager for Gallery Digital Signage Systems. Our powerful digital signage systems can easily control 1,000 captivating screens from across the room to across the globe. You can broadcast your business message and grab the attention of your audience with great ease of use at low cost. Our customers have come to trust Gallery because of our impeccable reliability in helping them get their message out to their customers. Our highly developed hardware and software make it easy to maintain and easy to broadcast your message across the world. Gallery gives you endless possibilities for interacting with your customers, whether it's Twitter, Facebook, or with other elements including web pages and weather feeds. Gallery gives you maximum impact in reaching your customers. Now let's take a look at how Gallery Digital Signage systems are being used in the real world.
Retail. Present targeted department promotional or marketing campaigns. Inform shoppers of elements such as new styles, recipes, or how-to items. Full social media integration, including Twitter, Facebook, QR codes, and more, to directly engage with your customers through their smartphones or tablets. Education. Display targeted campus-wide programming and schedules. Showcase classes, sports teams, clubs, or student accomplishments. Provide emergency alerts and messages. Engage university community and philanthropic efforts. Restaurants. Gallery displays are an ideal menu board solution. Dynamically update menu items for different times of day, as well as seasonal adjustments. Centrally adjust menu pricing and presentation on demand. Healthcare. Efficiently guide patients and visitors through your facility. Provide ADA-compliant signage. Differentiate your facility and capture the attention of all your visitors. Hotels, hospitality. Differentiate your hotel with efficient wayfinding and digital concierge displays. Complete signage for conference facilities. Efficient communication with guests and staff.
Let's take a look at how easy it is to manage our Gallery Digital Signage system. Step 1 is you log in. Just type in your username and password. And you can log into your Gallery system from any computer that's connected to the internet or the network that your system is on. Just use any standard web browser. Once you're in, you're going to want to create your layout. On your dashboard, click on the Layouts icon. That'll bring you to the list of layouts that you already have. We supply some when you buy your system. And when you want to create a new layout, click the Add Layout button. That gives you your layout, Add Layout screen. You can type in your name, type in your description, and click Save. Once you're in your layout design screen, you have a complete blank canvas. You can put whatever you want on there. It's really very flexible. So to add content to that, I'm going to need to add what are called regions. Just right-click anywhere on the screen and click Add Region, and that gives you a blank region. The region lets you set up where you want your content to display. So all I got to do is grab a corner with my mouse, left-click, and drag it to make it the size I want it to be. So I'm going to make it this big so that it'll fit a video file. Once you've moved, you can move it around to wherever you want on screen. This region options screen is really the meat of what Gallery Digital Signage is all about. This lets you pick what you want to show and what you want to display to your audience. You got a lot of options here. You have images, video, flash animation, PowerPoint, even Twitter and other website integration. You could have live weather, you name it. I'm going to start with a video clip. So let's call that movie trailer. And I'm going to set how long in seconds. My duration is going to be 60 seconds for this one. I'm going to pick a video out of my library. Let's scroll down here. Once I find the video I want, I just click the checkbox and click Assign. and click close, and that video is now assigned to that region, and I can move that anywhere I want on the screen. Now you can add as many regions as you want to your screen. Typically our customers use 3 to 4 to get the most impact out of their messages. Real easy to do. On this side of the screen, I'm going to add another region. Click Add Region, drag it to where you want it, grab a corner, and change the size. In this one, I'm going to add an image. So let's just call this Test Image 1. Set my duration to 60 seconds and choose a picture out of my library. Now that I've added all the regions I want to add, let's take a look at how to schedule your slide. To schedule a slide, click on the Schedule button on the home screen. Then you get a nice calendar display. It's what you see is what you get. Scheduling on Gallery Digital Signage is incredibly flexible. You can either push a slide live immediately, or you can set your schedule so that'll come up in a day, a week, a month, anytime you like. You just pick it on your calendar options when you're scheduling your slide. Click on an existing display, and I'm going to change that from Majestic 2 to my Gallery Video 1. Once I click my layout, I make sure I have it set up to the display I want with the checkbox, and I click Save. The event has been modified. I get my pop-up here, and then all I have to do is wait about 30 to 60 seconds and it'll go live on the system. Now that I've shown you how easy it is to create some basic content from scratch for your Gallery Digital sign, I'm going to show you how to spice up what you already have and to add another layer of attention-getting multimedia to your slide. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit an existing layout. Just click on the layout screen, that's where I am here, and I'm going to find the layout I want to edit. I'm going to scroll down. So here I found my slide, I'm going to click Design. This is the same design screen that we saw before, but now I have a slide that's already populated with all sorts of stuff. I've got my images, I've got text, and I've got this nice picture of a popcorn and a soda that I feel like it's taking up a little bit too much of the screen. And what I want to do is I want to change that and add a video in there. I'm going to shrink the image, just grab a corner and drag it, and that'll scale down the image, and I'm going to move that, click and drag right into the corner here. Next step is to create a new region over here so that I have a space to put my video. So right click, click Add Region, and it pops up a new region. And they all start in the left-hand corner here. You just got to drag that over to where you want it to be, and I make it exactly the size I want it to be. Once I have that set up, I just double click and I go back to the region options screen. And you have a lot of different options here. You can add another image, you can add a video, you can add Flash, you can add PowerPoint, and many more options. I'm going to add a video. So click on Video, and it gives you the Add New Video window. I'm going to pick my video, choose my file name, check the box, and click Save. Now that I have my video added to my layout, I want to push it to my live screen. So I'm going to click on Schedule to go back to my scheduling calendar. Click on the calendar entry that I want to change, choose my layout, which is Majestic 2 Test, and click Save. The event has been modified, and it's going to go live in about 60 seconds. Gallery Digital Signage is your ideal solution whether you're broadcasting your message around the corner or around the globe. Need advice? Contact us today and we'll set you up with a free consultation to help design the best system for your promotional dollar.